So, hello students. Today we are going to learn part 4 of chapter number 18, that is exponents and powers. Okay, so let us start it. Now, in this part, we are going to learn about powers of a rational numbers. Now, rational numbers means a number which is represented in P upon Q form, that is numerator denominator form. Okay, so let us start with some examples. Now, here it is given that write the base and power for each of the following. So our first example is 3 upon 4 raised to 5. Okay, how to read it? 3 upon 4 raised to 5. Now in this, as we have learned earlier, that this represents base and this represents power. Okay, so base is how much? 3 upon 4 and power is 5. Okay, now next example. Now here what number we have? Minus 2 upon 3 raised to 4. Okay. In this the base is minus 2 upon 3 and the power is 4. Okay. Let us consider now next example. Now here it is given that express the following in exponential form. Okay. Exponential means again same power and base form. So our first example is now 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 5. So here 1 upon 5 is multiplying how many times? 3 times. Therefore, the base will be 1 upon 5 and power will be 3. The number which is multiplying, that we are writing as a base, and how many times it is multiplying? 3 times. So that we are writing as a power. Okay, let us consider next example. Now here we have a number that is minus 3 upon 4 and it is multiplying how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will be our exponential form? So minus 3 upon 4 raised to 5. Okay, now let us consider next example. Now in this example, here it is given that again express the following in exponential form. Okay, so what number do we have? So we have it as 16 upon 81. Now this number we want to represent in exponential form. Okay, for that what we will do, first we will find the prime factors of 16 and then we will find the prime factors of 81. Okay, so prime factorization of 16. Okay, so that we can do in this way. So 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Similarly, for 81 we can write as 3 27s are 81, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now these all are what? Factors of 16 and 81. For 16, 2 is multiplying 4 times. For 81, 3 is multiplying 4 times. Okay, so we can write it as 16 upon 81 equals to, in numerator, now factors of 16, so 2 is multiplying 4 times. In denominator we have to write the factors of 81, that is 3 is multiplying 4 times. Okay, now 2 is multiplying 4 times, so this we can write in exponential form as 2 raised to 4, and here 3 is multiplying 4 times, so in exponential form we can write it as 3 raised to 4. Now since the numerator and denominator are having same power, that is 4, so we can write that power only one time and the base in this form. Okay, so what you will get now, this power 4 4 we have written only one time and base 2 upon 3. Okay, so here what we have done, we have written this number in exponential form. We can reduce this one lowest form if possible. Now 2 upon 3 itself is in lowest form. Okay, now let us consider one more example. Now here it is given that minus 32 upon 3125. This we want to write it in exponential form. Okay, so what we will do, first we will write the factors, or we will do Find the factors of 32. Okay, so 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. Then next factorization of 3125, we get it in this way. That is 5 625s are 5 125s are 5 25s are 5 5s are and 5 1s are. Okay, now what we will do, we are having minus 32 upon 3125, so this we will write it as here. Now minus 32 upon 3125 equals to, now here minus sign is there, so each factor will have this minus sign, so that we will write as minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 and so on. That is 5 times it should be written. Okay. The next one here 3125. So here this of factors of 3125. So 5 is multiplying 5 times. Okay. So now here in numerator minus 2 is multiplying 5 times, so we can write it as minus 2 raised to 5. In denominator 5 is multiplying 5 times, so we have to write it 5 raised to 5. Okay. Now again it can be seen that the numerator and denominator are having same power. So what we will do, we will write that power only one time as, you can see it over here, and then the fraction as minus 2 upon 5, or the rational number as minus 2 upon 5. Okay, now let us consider our next example. Now here it is given that find the value of the following. Okay, find the value or evaluate. They both means same. Okay, now here we want to find the value of minus 3 upon 5 raised to 3. For finding the value of minus 3 upon 5 raised to 3, we have to multiply. So now here minus 3 upon 5 raised to 3 means minus 3 is multiplying 3 times and 5 is also multiplying 3 times. You have to look at the power. So when minus 3 is multiplying 3 times, what answer do we get? We get it as minus 81. Okay, 3 3s are 9. Sorry, it should be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Okay, so this will become minus 27, whereas this is 5 into 5 into 5, so 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Okay, then next one. Now in next example it is given that we have to find the value of 2 upon 7 raised to 2. So what does it mean? 2 will multiply 2 times, at the same time 7 will also multiply 2 times. Okay, because the power is both for numerator and denominator in this way. Okay, now when 2 is multiplying 2 times, so we get 2 2s are 4 and 7 7s are 49. Okay, so hope you all must have understood up till here. So this much is enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.